That is right, guys. The M3 is officially fixed, and in today's video we're going to talk about what I'm going to do with the car, if we're going to keep it, build it, or flip it for an insane amount of profit. This video, all the answers will be revealed, but let me show you guys the car first. One thing that happened is the left headlight, the DRL stopped working, so we only have one functioning headlight. If we do keep this car, obviously we'd get the updated icon headlights. And also back here, the one taillight is out, so we'd need new taillights as well. Now, I have driven this car just a little bit, but I've never actually pedaled to the metal with it. So in this video, we'll also be comparing the M3 to the GTR in terms of power. The GTR is full bolt-on and tuned, making around maybe 650 to 700 wheel. I think 650 realistically. And this car apparently is 640. I don't know if that's wheel or just crank, but I guess today we'll find out and compare them the two, and maybe we'll run a race against each other. All right, guys, hopping in the M3. It's a little bit dirty right now, but it's not too bad. We currently have it flashed to stage 2 plus, I believe, and it's been running pretty good. It sounds pretty crazy. Ready, downshift. Hear the turbos. It is pretty sick. Now, the last thing that you guys saw happen to this car, it was blowing white smoke and we were still in limp mode. Now, what ended up happening, we went on a little vacation. We had gone to Japan and we took this car to a shop to get it sorted once and for all. We ended up spending 500 bucks because the camshaft sensor was cooked apparently, and the wires, there was 2 wires that were pinched. So that's what was causing everything. Now, we do still have a little bit of blue smoke coming out the back once in a while, which could indicate turbo seals needing to be replaced in the near future to further future. That's currently what's going on with it. And then obviously a bunch of cosmetic things, like the fenders still don't fit, the headlights are ugly as hell, and the taillights are ugly. But after that, this car is pretty much perfect condition. It does misfire a little bit on the start, like on the startup. It doesn't really do it as much anymore. Initially it was. But once you're driving, it is perfect. Attila has been ripping on this car quite a bit, but I have yet to actually rip on it. So in today's video, we will be doing that. And I think we're gonna race the GTR against the M3. I think the GTR is obviously gonna smoke it, but I mean, stay tuned for that race. It could be crazy. All right, guys, we're whipping the M3. I never thought this day would come where we'd be able to actually drive this. It's been a long time coming, a lot of hours in the shop. I didn't really do much to actually fix it myself, but you know, I was there for the moral support. Shout out to Ethan, our other buddy, Mr. Oil Filter. He wants his name undisclosed. Nick, and everyone else who was there who helped out. Thank you. All the comments, thank you for helping us get this thing running. Let's give it a rip. It is kind of slow. All right, honestly though, it's definitely slower than the GTR. There's no chance this car would actually beat the GTR. I don't think there's any chance, truthfully. I'm thinking about keeping it as a daily right now, guys. Like daily driving this car. We're in it for a pretty good price. We'll go over that as well, how much we're actually into this 2015 F80 M3. And we're also gonna go through if we should sell it, if we should keep it. Wow, that was kind of nice. Yeah, and I also want to get your guys' opinion in the comments. All right, guys, so quick little side note. We're actually going to fix this taillight. We're unclapping the M3 today. Boss, are we going to sell it or are we going to keep it? What do you think?
Stay tuned.
Oh, that's true. At the end of this video, we're going to go through what we're actually going to do with this car now that it's running, driving almost perfectly. But first, let's unclap it slightly. We actually got taillights, so shout out to Dave. He doesn't need his M3 taillights anymore. We only need this side, I believe, but we might as well put both because this one kind of cooked. Look at it.
M4 Dave scammed us.
Well, it wasn't really a scam because it was free. Boss donated to the cause, so we're gonna install this taillight and hopefully it works. So right now the left side taillight does not work. Let's change that right now, boys.
Okay, guys. So now that you've taken off the little tab, just pull it off. And then what happens is when you try to pull this off,
oh no, your hand!
Oh shit! What the hell?
Oh. Okay, now it's just 2 10mm bolts and then this will come right out. Take it off. You got it, man.
It's too hard for me.
Come on, you got it. You got it. I'm an experienced technician. I know what I'm doing. There you go. Boom. Just out like that. And now you're gonna want to unclip that. Yes. Yes. Unclip it, unclip it, unclip it. Done. Now we put the new side in. Time to test if it actually works.
Working?
Turn it on. Oh! It works! It works! Let's go, man. Dude, let's freaking go. Alright guys, well, it's kind of hard to tell during the daytime, but let me show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. The taillights do work. Alright boys, it is time. We're running up the GTR versus the M3. This is probably the only race, and we're gonna see which one will end up winning in a roll race on the highway in Guatemala. We're not in Canada, US. We're in Guatemala right now, and we're about to race these two cars on the highway, allegedly. Here we are at GTR versus M3. This is a highly anticipated race. I got my 94 map on, race mode, and we got Attila here. Oh fuck, shit's gonna end. That thing sounds nuts. Holy shit. I did have a late start, I'm not gonna lie. I did start a bit late, but the F80 did keep up pretty well. Not gonna lie, it did keep up pretty well, but I did start late. I think he did start before me. We'll check back the footage. I mean, obviously we won, but damn, bro, that thing's not bad. We'll have to check the footage, because I swear he started a little bit before me, and then I caught up and ran it, but that was sick. All right, guys, we're going to talk about if we are going to keep or sell and flip the M3. We bought this car a couple months ago as a project. Me and Attila have been wanting to do something like this for a long time together. We've been talking about it since honestly February, getting like an M car. We were looking at an M4 before. It didn't end up working out, but we were talking about getting a project together, rebuilding slash fixing up. I think one of us was honestly planning to keep this car. We're gonna check in with Attila really soon as well to see if he's changed his mind on wanting to keep it or not. But as of right now, guys, we are going to sell the M3. We've already had a couple offers for a decent amount of profit more than what we actually are in it for. So that will be a whole nother video on selling the M3, preparing it for a flip. And yes, guys, this could be our first big flip. Honestly, guys, I've been wanting to do a nice car flip for a long time. I'm grateful that me and Attila have gotten to do one almost. Well, we haven't sold it, you know, so technically it's not flipped yet. I was thinking of keeping it. It'd be great for content. It still would be great for content, but I don't want to stop myself at just an M3. I think we could get even a better M3, a better M4, maybe an M5. I've been talking about for a while. You guys know I've been wanting an M5, F90 M5. Those are so sick. And honestly, guys, I feel like this is putting my foot into the door in crashed cars. Now, I know you guys watched the videos. I didn't really do any of the work. It was mainly electrical work. We outsourced it, but, and shout out to Ethan, shout out to all the boys. We'll give a big shout out to all the boys who helped out on this car at the end of the series. But I have a feeling I could repair some crashed cars. A little bit of suspension work, front bumpers, panels, a couple easy little panels. You know, at the end of the day, it's just putting a bunch of bolts together with the right tools. So I think it's something I could do. With that being said, I want to buy a G82 M4 or a G80 M3 or an F90 M5 on the crashed auction. Nothing too crazy to start out with, and either keep it or flip it. Maybe even keep it for a little while, have it as another content car, and then end up selling it in a couple months. I say we could keep it for the winter, hold on to it for a little while, and then sell it when it's springtime to make a nice profit. Let me know what you guys think of that idea. Honestly, in my head, it sounds like it makes sense, but unfortunately to anyone who has loved this M3, I think it's time to let go of it and get rid of it. And honestly, guys, with this car, we had so much fun. I've met a bunch of new friends just by having this car. Ethan, other buddy who doesn't like to be named on camera, a couple of the boys who helped out a lot on this car. And honestly, we couldn't have done it without them getting this car fixed up. I think it's gonna be that time to go. We have some potential good profits to make on this thing, so we can't say no to that. All right, we got Attila here today. Attila, what are we doing with this car? What are we doing with it? Are we selling it, or are we keeping it? Am I keeping it? Are you keeping it? What do you think? I already kind of explained to them what's gonna happen.
Guys, pretty much, BMW M3. I don't know what the hype is. These cars are a piece of shit. Look at dog. The engine is dog. It's slow. It's f***ing dog.
It is
boring. F***ing dog. This car is f***ing dog. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what the hype is. I'm just gonna keep it real.
Actually,
I think we're gonna sell this car.
but he was thinking about keeping it.
Not anymore. We're gonna
Okay.
sell this car, make a profit.
How much do you think we're gonna make? We're not gonna say in this video, but next video we'll say. Over 5K each.
Listen, I think usually on cars you only get like 15, 20% margins. This car, I think it's gonna be like about 35% margin. It's pretty good.
It's clean. It's
Give me a
clean.
calculator.
This thing's not bad though, guys. Oh, hey cameraman.
Okay, cool. Cameraman's on in the video.
Cameraman, yo, the other M3 is fixed. We just got this new M3. Earlier in this video, I did say that I wanted a G80 and we ended up buying one. I just want to make a quick segment in this video to apologize for the lack of uploads. I've been dealing with some stuff involving editors and figuring out a good system to come up with to get these YouTube videos out weekly and way more often. Obviously, I've been extremely lacking on the uploads and I'm working on a schedule to get these out more often. We have another video on the M3 coming and a ton of other videos in the vault right now that haven't even been edited yet. So be ready for those. Be ready for some crazy content this winter, boys, because we are not staying in Canada. Anyways, thank you guys for always supporting the videos. I'll see you boys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.